Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi Hakerdog Ying Jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Jong Kejela Konrad Konggel Sangma ubala pentip ba Menteri Ketenat Ki Kampok Ying Jong Kesorkar Pedeng Amit Shah unsawan yok kejat hapok kani kanong ba Shillong hadu mentah Kesorkar Jela kampat yok ketin setia na Ministry of Home Affairs la Amit Shah aipor ni ban Ïakynduh ki Sengbhalang ki bala angnod her ban Ïakynduh yo Amit Shah kenang ban pen sengau ki jingdawa bakila angnod barok shikata. Menteri Rangba habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uliyatho bah kasngi ka ba Amit Shah wan yu kejat hagani nong ba Shillong salek ye shimbenta nengkong haka jingalang jong ka North East Space Application Center bat hadin kani salek pli pat ba kombaar nilai teli ki project ki badan ha Shillong bat ha East Khasi Hills District. Hanrai hakabaya daipat bat ka jingkerpa jong ki Sengbhalang Menteri Rangba uliyatho bahadu menta ka Sorkar Jela kampat yo jubab AA halor kani ka jingang nod jong ki Sengbhalang ban Ïakynduh ya Amit Shah.
Now we have got a tentative program and he will be here for 2 days and he'll be staying over here for one night. At the same time in his visit he will be having meetings with NESAC, that's the Northeast Space Agency. He will be also inaugurating 2-3 projects that have been set up here in Shillong area and in East Khasi Hills. He will also be having a meeting with the Chief Ministers of the Northeast, and in that meeting Chief Secretaries and DGPs will also be present. Apart from that, he has got a visit that is going to take place to Sora, where he would be inaugurating one project there, and at the same time he will be starting another new project of tree plantation because there is a massive drive to ensure that the overall tree plantation coverage increases in Sora area. So these will be the official programs. And he also will be, we have also got requests from different organizations and groups who want to meet the Honorable Home Minister. So we have put in the request for them also and asked for time. We have not got a response yet, but I am very hopeful that he will give a positive response on that. So we're waiting for confirmation. And during those visits, during those meetings, I'm sure this discussion of different issues that are important to the state will be discussed in that meeting also. And obviously at my level also, I will be discussing these matters with the Honorable Home Minister, and we will see what response we get from that.